Hello everybody, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel, The Techie King. Today I am presenting video about carpet flooding cleanup. Ever woken up to a flooded carpet and wondered how to handle it? It's a predicament homeowners often face. Carpet flooding could result from leaks, heavy rain, or even unforeseen accidents. Worry not, we've got you covered with our simple step-by-step guide on carpet flooding cleanup. The first step in dealing with a flooded carpet is to remove the excess water. Time is of the essence here, because the longer the water sits, the more damage it can cause. A wet vacuum can be a handy tool in this situation, efficiently sucking up excess water. However, if you don't have one, no worries. You can also use towels to blot out the water. Just remember, your goal is to get as much water out of the carpet as possible. Once you've removed the water, it's time to dry the carpet and the room. Use fans or dehumidifiers to help speed up the drying process. It's crucial to ensure everything is thoroughly dry to prevent mold and mildew growth, which can be harmful to your health. Next, you'll want to clean the carpet. Use a suitable carpet cleaner to remove any dirt and bacteria that may have been brought in with the flood water. This step is essential in restoring your carpet to its former glory. Finally, if the carpet is severely damaged or if you notice mold growth, it might be time to call in the professionals. They have the necessary tools and expertise to handle such situations. Remember, a quick response is key in handling carpet flooding. The faster you act, the less damage your carpet will sustain. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about dealing with carpet flooding. First, swiftly remove as much water as you can. Next, focus on drying the carpet and the room entirely to prevent mold growth. After drying, ensure you clean the carpet thoroughly, removing any dirt or bacteria. If the job seems too big, don't hesitate to seek professional help. And there you have it, a simple guide to handling carpet flooding. Don't let a little water dampen your spirits. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, The Techie King.